बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। दोस्तों, यहाँ पर पेडागोजी की प्रिपरेशन को आगे कंटिन्यू करते हुए एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक आपके लिए लाया हूँ। टॉपिक है एजुकेशनल मेजरमेंट एंड एवेल्यूएशन। ये वीडियो इस टॉपिक का सेकंड पार्ट है। फर्स्ट पार्ट का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद है। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट और बहुत आसान टॉपिक है ये। मैंने कोशिश ये की है कि पिछले पेपर से जितने भी मुझे इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ मिले वो इस वीडियो में मैंने इंक्लूड किए, और बाकी जो एमसीक्यूज़ हैं वो रिलायबल बुक से मैंने इंक्लूड किए इसमें। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको ये वीडियो लाजमी पसंद आएगी। इसको लाइक लाजमी कीजिएगा। चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। The purpose of evaluation is to make judgment about the quality of something, assign a mark or score to a student, measure the achievement of student, test the student in a subject. The right answer is make judgment about the quality of something. In normal reference test, the comparison is between groups, individuals, areas, interests. The right answer is B, individuals. In which question marking will be more reliable? Completion, short answer, multiple choice questions, essay. The right answer is multiple choice question. Facility value of less than 0 proportional to 20 means item is too easy, item is easy, item is acceptable, item is difficult. The right answer is item is difficult. Objective type questions have advantage over easy type because such questions are easy to prepare, are easy to solve, are easy to mark, test critical thinking. The right answer is are easy to mark. Discrimination value of more than 0 to 4 means, अब यहाँ पे ये देखते हैं कि discrimination value है क्या। Good और poor students के दरमियान best judgment को discrimination values कहते हैं। Item is good, item is acceptable, item is weak, item discriminating negatively. Test involving the construction of certain pattern and solving problem in terms of concrete material are called intelligence test, performance test, scholastic aptitude test, interest test. The right answer is performance test. In multiple choice item, the stem of the item should be large, small, meaningful, relevant. The right answer is meaningful. Which appropriate verb will you use to make an objective behavioral? To know, to appreciate, to understand, to construct. The right answer is to construct. Objectives representing the purpose of instructions of a teacher are called performance, instructional, attainment, terminal objectives. The right answer is instructional. Running description of active behavior of a student as observed by the teacher is anecdotal record, autobiography, interview, questionnaire. The right answer is anecdotal record. A test very popular with classroom teacher is true-false test, completion test, matching item, multiple choice. The right answer is multiple choice. Frequently used tools of summative evaluations are test, teacher's observation, daily assignments, oral questioning. The right answer is tests.